Why your business should use AI. So AI is quite a new and a emerging thing, and it can really be a game changer for businesses if you start to adopt this technology now, and especially if you get in early and establish it early and understand it early, it can really propel you and set you up for a load of benefits in the future, right? So why AI is the future of business. Transforms industries, right? So as you know, the whole landscape of how businesses operate is being changed by AI, and it's a change that is going to make things a lot more efficient, a lot more rapid, a lot more fast, and can really allow you to expand your capabilities as a business, right? So it's going to reshape how businesses operate. It's going to allow you to stay competitive because sooner or later, all businesses are going to start using AI in some way, shape, or form. And you really want to get in on it early so that you want to adopt it early so that when other businesses are kind of still trying to work it out and struggle, you're at that point where you're thriving with AI and really, overtaking your competition. And finally, unlock your potential, right? So again, it's going to expand your business capabilities and really allow you to do things that you didn't think were possible, or get done a certain amount that you previously just couldn't do in a day, or things that would need you to have, a full house of staff you might be able to do with just one or two members on site, right? So unlocking your potential using AI in business is really going to help expand your capabilities and unlock the true potential of your business, which is that's going to help your business do better, right? So staying competitive, right? The early adoption of AI is going to allow you to position your business in a place where you're already familiar with the AI stuff that's going on. You're already staying up to date with, new updates that are coming in. And based on all these updates and based on how your company is already using AI, you're going to have data before any other business. You're going to have data to use based on, your AI systems before any other business. And then you're going to be able to make decisions on that data, which is going to propel your business even further. And this is going to help you, one, identify, it could be identifying pitfalls within your business, but also identifying opportunities to capitalize on that are out there in the business world, and really get ahead of your competitors. So it's gonna, again, change your whole landscape. It's going to change your competitive landscape and put you in a position where you're at the forefront of utilizing AI for business, right? Because it's inevitable. It's inevitable that AI is gonna end up being used, right, by most businesses. So again, the next one is automate repetitive tasks. Lots of businesses have tasks that are just monotonous. You do them every day, and you probably get a bit sick of doing these tasks every day. So having a way to automate these tasks is really going to make you more efficient. You can now focus on the stuff that matters, which is actually providing value to your clients or your customers. And having AI systems in place to take off a lot of this, monotonous, repetitive work is what is going to really allow you to provide more value and focus on the customers, focus on the key areas of your business, right? So again, you've got some on the screen, you've got some different examples of ways that you can add some automations into your business to, take some of the workload off you. So feel free to read those. And again, next point, optimizing, like we said, operations and reduce costs. So things that, that would previously take a lot of hours are now going to take 1 or 2 hours. They might even take a few minutes. And that means the money spent on the time, it took to do these tasks is going to be reduced, right? It also may mean that you need actually less resources to get certain tasks done because AI is taking off this workload for you. So again, especially with the predictive technologies and things like that of AI, it's going to allow you to be a bit more prepared for future, mishaps or things that could, affect your business. So again, efficiency and of your operations and reducing cost of your operations is a big reason why you should look for a way to integrate AI into your business in some way, shape, or form, especially early on before, other businesses start using it before you and then get ahead. So again, the next thing is the new opportunities that it brings. So content creation, personalized marketing, predictive analytics, and scaling your business, right? So you're going to be able to do things on a larger scale that you weren't able to do. Maybe you didn't have enough staff before to do all these tasks, so you didn't have enough staff to send all these custom outreach emails. But now you've got a whole AI workforce doing it for you. You can, based on your data that you're collecting, you can make some predictions based on, you know, the data that you have, and analyze how your operations are going. Marketing, personalized marketing, now instead of making like a one size fits all kind of generic marketing, you know, email or whatever, you can create a system that goes and does the research for each prospect for you and comes up with a customized sort of marketing email or marketing piece of content for them. And again, then we can go into content creation. So if you didn't have time to create content before, you now can create AI systems that can create content for you and really help to establish your brand and put yourself out there. So it gives you access to all these opportunities that you wouldn't have had before, or maybe didn't have the time to do before, or maybe didn't have the money to, you know, hire like a video editor and stuff before. You can now do with AI and really streamline it and give yourself access to these opportunities. So the 4 key reasons, right, that your business needs AI, just to summarize: prevent being left behind. Okay, it's inevitable that lots of businesses, they're going to start using AI, you know, whether you like it or not, they're going to start adopting AI. And to prevent yourself from being left behind, then it makes sense to just adopt it early, go through all the kind of struggles of adopting it and learning about it now, so that in the future, when the world becomes more, you know, of an AI world, that you are already at the forefront, you're already thriving while everyone else is trying to work things out. So again, number 2, it's going to save you a lot of time. Number 3, improve operational efficiency. And number 4, expand your capabilities, give you more opportunities, right? So again, today is the day for you really to start looking into the AI solutions and how you can build different AI systems within your business. If that's something you want to do and you're unsure where to start, feel free to book a free consultation down below, and we can just have a chat and talk about what systems you could use and implement and put into your business to really excel you and put you on the forefront of, you know, competition. So I'll leave a link to the description for free consultation down below if that's what you're interested in. But again, some next steps that you can take to start, you know, implementing AI into your business is measure and adapt. So look at all the AI solutions out there, measure what's going on within your business and adapt to the changes, which is the AI revolution that's coming now. Choose the right tools for your business. So again, if you don't know what tools are available, then we can discuss that in the call below. But choose the right tools to start implementing some automations into your business. Set some clear goals, what you want out of it. And then if you have a team that you're working with, educate your team on the tools that are available so that they can start using them and becoming more efficient. So they're the next steps here. I hope this has helped in kind of swaying you to start using AI or looking for ways you can use AI into your business now. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one. And like I said, there'll be a link in the description to book a free consultation where you can just find out more about AI and what use it could have for your business and what tools you can use. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.